Hi everyone, I'm Fawad Razaqzada, StoneX Market Analyst, and today we are looking at the chart of gold following the metal's recent breakdown. The bearish momentum on gold has really gathered pace following last week's historical reversal from extremely overbought levels, and we've now seen a breakdown below some key technical support areas, most importantly that psychologically important 4,000 mark. That move has triggered a wave of technical selling and liquidation of long positions. Now, this reversal hasn't happened in isolation. It's come right as market anticipates some form of de-escalation in the US-China trade war and further rate cuts from major central banks, and that's lifted sentiment across the board. The S&P 500, for example, as well as the FTSE 100 have hit new record highs, and this has naturally taken some shine off safe haven assets like gold. As mentioned, the drop in gold has coincided with renewed optimism in trade talks between the US and China. Now, President Trump has been striking an upbeat tone, saying he feels really good about a trade deal. Reports suggest that China may resume soybean purchases and ease restrictions on rare earth exports, while Washington could scale back some recent tariff threats. Now, while that's certainly improved market mood, many analysts remain skeptical that the bigger issues like national security and tech competition are anywhere near being resolved. Still, for now, traders have embraced the risk-on environment, and that's pulled demand away from gold as a hedge. Looking ahead, all eyes are now on the Federal Reserve meeting on Wednesday. A rate cut is almost a given at this point, but the key question is, will the Fed signal more cuts are coming? If they do, that could pressure the dollar, and we might then see a rebound in bonds and gold prices. So the Fed meeting could end up putting a short-term floor on the gold prices, depending on how dovish their tone is. Technically, the trigger for this latest drop was pretty clear. Once that 4,000 level broke, which also coincided with last week's low, a cluster of stop loss orders got hit, and that sent gold prices tumbling in a short space of time. So the real question now is, have we finally seen a top in gold after this incredible run to repeated record highs? Personally, I would wait to see what happens next before calling it. If prices can reclaim that 4,000 level and hold above it, that would be a strong bullish technical signal from my point of view that would suggest that the long-term uptrend remains intact. But if gold continues to trade below that 4,000 level for the next couple of days, let's say, then it's fair to say that a short-term top might be in place, and we could see further selling until prices look attractive again, or until risk sentiment turns and investors will start looking for safety once more. So in short, gold's facing pressure from risk-on sentiment, a technical breakdown, and a strong equity market rally. But with the Fed on the deck, we might still see a shift in the tone that gives the bulls something to work with. Let's see how things play out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.